The tour started with a brief orientation session at the Bengaluru airport, preparing them for their flight journey. On arriving in Bali, we were welcomed by Mr. Sukha, our local guide, and the group was swiftly transferred into the bus.
Om Swastiastu. Om Swastiastu, that's the word like Namaste in India. So I would like to say, welcome to Bali.
After a warm welcome at the resort with a high tea spread out for us, the students were checked into their rooms and had some time to freshen up. Soon, we headed for a session of beach volleyball. The students divided themselves into teams and started enjoying the game along with the Bali sand and air. The students learned to teach each other and kept the game going in high spirits. The game was followed by dinner and some relaxing time by the pool, bringing an end to our first day. The next morning was one of the most exciting ones of the entire tour, with the surf camp all set to train the students in surfing. We had experienced professionals teaching our students from the very basics to more advanced techniques. Most of them were surfing for the very first time in their life and were eager to discover this sport. After lunch, we headed to a traditional Balinese dance school. After watching the locals perform, it was time for our students to gear up for their dancing lessons. The boys and the girls were divided into two separate groups and taught different dance pieces. The kids also enjoyed trying their hands on the musical instruments accompanying the dance. We headed to a pottery and ceramic workshop. The children had a hands-on experience of working with clay and learning some traditional techniques of making pots and other items. Day 4 of the trip was spent on a farm. They got a tour of the farm and learnt about many different varieties of plants grown and used in the local dishes.
To grow this one from beginning until ready to harvest, and you will take around 8 until a year.
They also picked their own veggies, which they later used while cooking. The cooking activity was arranged in a very well organized outdoor kitchen setup. The kids were absolutely thrilled and couldn't wait to begin cooking Balinese recipes. The local team was always there to guide and support the students as they learned and cooked many varieties of Balinese food. After a lot of fun and work, our lunch was finally ready. A full course meal by the students for the students. After lunch, they had a workshop in eco-printing. So today the students are going to be doing a bamboo workshop. Miss Natalie, who is leading the workshop, is someone with a lot of passion for the topic and had so much to explain to the students. It was nice to watch the students work together as a team and create something from scratch to a complete finished product that looked absolutely beautiful. Later, lunch was served, which was prepared by local women of the area, and the food tasted absolutely amazing. The next morning, we had a cycling tour arranged for the kids. We cycled through lush green paddy fields and other rural sites of Bali, giving the students an opportunity to explore a whole different landscape of the island. Later, the students had a graffiti painting activity. The theme given to them was the environment. The kids had a lot of fun making their drawings and watched it take shape into large, colorful paintings. The end result was absolutely spectacular. Next, we had a service activity where the students of TISB taught Indian film dancing to the kids of the village. The children were absolutely overjoyed with this interaction. There was a boys group and a girls group, and both of them enjoyed learning various steps that our students were teaching them. After the performance, our students also had some gifts to give out to the children of the village.
Our mission at Happy Miles is to transform students through these experiences and to make them a global citizen.